It's me again, Bike Legend. It's about 1:30. It's pretty nice out. I'm inside, but I'm sure it's nice out. The trucks are probably buzzing. The birds are probably singing. And all that. Now for this week's video, I am going to bomb down Drummond Street without a helmet at full speed. Oh, I just might die. But first we have to pick up the bike. It's out here. Oh, there it is. The bike for the Bike Legend. This can be crazy. Crazy. I'm still faster than a truck, by the way. Faster. Now, I expect to be reaching speeds of approximately 200 miles an hour with wind resistance probably 400. So, you start to see colors you've never seen before. That's just me breaking the speed of sound. That's how it works. Right? Trying to trigger that. There we go. Okay, here we go. I'm not even watching the road. Not even watching. Oh, I'm so fast. Oh god, there's a car. Oh Jesus, I'm gonna die. Woo. Woo. Did it.